Hello, South Street families. It's pretty amazing to watch it all fall into place, one box at a time. Our sixth annual Cereal Drive and Domino Drop has come to a close, highlighting the very best of what makes South Street so amazing: generosity, teamwork, and heart. This year, kindergarten brought in an incredible 132 boxes to finish in third place. Second grade followed closely behind with 149 boxes, showing a great effort. And leading the way, first grade rose to the top with an outstanding 221 boxes, earning their well deserved ice cream party celebration. Beyond the excitement of the competition, what really matters most to our little school community is that we collected a remarkable 502 boxes of cereal. As always, these donations will go to Helping Makes It You Happy, where they will be distributed to our local food pantries to support those families in need. It's a simple idea. One small box leads to another, and before you know it, you've made a real difference. Way to go, South Street School.
Three, two, one.